KLİM and HRİM, two sacred seed mantras that have been used for thousands of years in spiritual traditions. In this full-length video, we are going deeper into their meanings, how they work, where to use them, and how they can change your inner state. Let's start with KLİM. KLİM is known as the Attraction Beeja. It represents magnetic energy, the ability to pull in positivity, motivation, success, and emotional clarity. When you chant KLİM, your mind begins to focus, your inner confidence rises, and your aura becomes more receptive. In simple words, the world starts responding to your energy. What does KLİM attract? Not only material things, but good people, good opportunities, inner drive, and mental strength. It is connected to the energy of Krishna and Lalita Tripura Sundari, symbolizing divine attraction and harmony. Now let's talk about HRİM. HRİM is called the Maya Beeja, the seed of purification and divine protection. It represents the power of the heart, the energy of truth, and the awakening of spiritual vision. Chanting HRİM helps dissolve negative emotions, fear, confusion, and inner noise. Many spiritual masters use HRİM as a foundation because it opens the inner light. Pronunciation is simple, but important. KLİM is pronounced as KLİM with a long E sound. HRİM is pronounced as HRİM with a strong har vibration from the chest. Where should you use KLİM? Use KLİM when you want confidence, attraction, focus, better communication, emotional strength, manifestation of goals. Where should you use HRİM? Use HRİM when you need emotional healing, energy protection, aura purification, inner peace, clarity of decisions, spiritual stability. Now let's talk about combining them. KLİM and HRİM together create a perfect balance, attraction plus purification. When you chant both, you are not only calling positive energy toward you, but also clearing the blockages that stop that energy from entering your life. Here is one powerful combination. KLİM HRİM, repeated slowly with deep concentration. Another version is the sandwich method, KLİM HRİM, HRİM KLİM. This combination is used for higher clarity, manifestation, and emotional stability. When should you chant them? Early morning or before sleep is best. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, take a slow breath, and chant with calm awareness. These mantras respond to your intention, not your volume. The softer you chant, the deeper it goes. Benefits: people report reduced stress, improved mood, better decision-making, stronger intuition, more confidence, and a sense of inner protection. Spiritually, KLİM plus HRİM open a pathway to deeper awareness. If you want complete understanding, guidance, and advanced methods, check the link in caption below for more in-depth videos.